Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Whirlpool 200 liters direct cool single door 3-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 200 liters, compressor type, reciprocatory, performance 3-star for energy saving up to 35%, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual and warranty card. Type single door refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Capacity 200 liters, number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Coming to the cost price, 15,490 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.